take off right now?
I think you'd be able to taxi to the end of the runway, but you'd need to hold short until this display is finished.
Okay.
Alright, B29 call sign Doom Panda, you have permission to start up and taxi to the runway.
You do this on purpose!
I agree.
Are you gonna switch into an F3F?
No.
What is happening?
No, you have to.
Ground
have
control
to.
requesting permission to taxi.
Hey,
Say again for ground.
What do you mean?
Ground control
These are my
requesting permission to taxi.
Alright, Sisto, you have permission to taxi wherever you are. I have no clue. Just taxi.
He's off to
I'm
your
excited
right.
for this video to come
I'm going
out.
my life.
Oh, there he is.
Still posted.
Yeah, just follow the F3F right in front of you.
Sister, I'm
I'll
concerned
yeah,
what this is gonna do.
Yeah, Doom. Clear comms. B29, you have permission to taxi. Get out of there so we can get more F3Fs in line.
I'm stopping here, Sisto.
Actually, I need to be over there to take
Russian,
pictures.
German, Italian rejects.
Now you gotta.
Yeah, come back with this.
Oh my god, look how tall that wing is. It just barely. It gives a shade.
Yes, I agree.
Right, okay.
Nom.
I wish my pilot could just get out and push my heli over, so I don't have to start up my engine.
Right.
Your wing is at a perfect, like, height where it goes through the gap between the blades.
Yes, I agree.
Without hitting the blades.
This is such a dumb idea, but I freaking love it.
We're gonna top that P40 display.
Oh,
Just
yeah,
remember
easy.
that like nobody else besides you guys has any actual aerobatics practice or experience.
So just loose
Don't
formation the
expect
entire
much.
time.
Well, we're gonna get close as shit. Everybody else.
Yeah, we're gonna get like inside of each other, and then we'll have them spread. Oh, look at the P40s. That is really sexy, though.
Yes. So the white tigers kept to each other. Yes. I wish I could see the aircraft, but I have a fucking KA-50 in my camera. Alligator.
White 106.
Oh God, Bandit.
Yeah, one of them's a white 106, one of them's a white 104.
Should we just put Bandit in our Discord like you've been yeeted?
Hey, Dark, how fast do you guys go on average?
Probably our max speed for that display was 210.
No, our max speed for that, it was around like 220. The max we hit was on landing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the fastest we went.
I could probably root for you guys.
Oh God.
No, the max speed that we had on landing was 230 for me, but...
Yeah, I usually go about 210 to 220.
Oh my God. That's really fast.
Hey, Rogue, you ever think what the KA-50 would look like if you just took off the blades and put two jet engines where the engines are already?
Say again.
It'd be an amazing plane, you know?
Yeah, it would be like a 104.
I mean, the shit already has elevators and a rudder. All you need is ailerons.
Yeah,
oh,
just
we
like
took the rotors off and put extra engines on. Yeah, I don't know.
Sounds like some shit Russia would do.
Yeah.
Affordable aircraft. Take KA-50. Yes.
Touch it inappropriately. Yes.
Yes.
This actually was affordable for me.
We have 6 F3Fs.
Oh no, we're getting the entire server.
Is anyone else getting an F3F?
Yeah, the entire server. Anyone who has
NZ Flyers getting.
I don't have it.
I know Will is. I'm pretty sure Jake is. I'm pretty sure all the P40s are doing it. I don't know about Rogue because he's got a big ground. We'll see.
Yeah, and I don't want to. I'll have to leave the room to go find my F3F and put my decals on it because I need my offensive decals. I have an I-16 now.
That could work.
Yak 4. No wait, no I don't. I switched it out for my PE8. I could get it easily.
Yes, the bomb.
So how does the contra rotation work on that fucking KA-50? Because I'm looking at this from all types of angles, and I still don't see how the fuck it works.
I've taken a couple lessons in helicopters, and I could explain to you in great detail how they normally work. I have no idea how this thing does.
I mean, it's literally how a Chinook works. It's how a Chinook works.
No, you dumb bitch. Chinook can
No,
take
the
names,
Chinook-
but one different ends. I'm saying not. I know
With the
that
Chinook,
it's
the blades are put in just a way
It's just
so that
keeping
they
it
miss
from
each other.
rolling to one side. I understand that part. What I'm trying to figure out is what the fuck did they do with the gears to get them in a straight line?
Whoa, that P40 just like almost ate it.
I could go lower than that. That's ridiculous.
Okay, they're not as good as I thought they would be. The start looked really good, but then they just kind of.
Oh, now you're gonna. Oh, you're gonna do one of my maneuvers.
Oh, you little bitch!
What was that? Are you done squealing, Radio Doom?
Oh no, not the Foxy. Not Foxy, no!
What the fuck is happening?
Whoa!
Wow.
Only like a good
Wow.
girlfriend. Calm down.
I love how there's all these beautiful little biplanes and a nice German jet. Then there's just this fucking Russian helicopter with crying seals on it.
I know, right?
Well, I don't see the crying.
You guys do have non-historical decals enabled, right?
Yeah.
Good.
2 fucking seals on its tail.
I feel bad for whoever gets killed by this thing. It's just like sad. I got killed by this fucking monstrosity.
Yeah, I've been touched by it so many times in customs. Well, not customs, in actual battles, and I hate it. I love it, but I hate it.
Oh, flyers coming in the F3F.
Oh no, we got another one, boys. I never thought I'd see this one in the F3F.
He's gonna get me down.
Never have you seen about like 7 F3Fs.
Oh, there's gonna be more.
There's too much
Scary
things.
thing. There's gonna be even more.
There's too much things. Too much things in the same time. In the same place. Too much things. No,
Is German Gaijin here?
yes, I am.
Do you mind turning on
What
Gaijin,
is it?
please?
Oh, sorry. My bad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know. But if the engine of the GAC
Thank you.
was turned on,
I hear
nobody
joining.
is in my income.
Hey guys, remember this is the ground frequency. If you're gonna be retards and autistic, please go to general.
That's a good point. We probably should
We're
go
all
to general.
crackheads. We can't.
They
Like,
thought
Yeah.
they did.
It's no formation, BC.
Plus, Rogue, we want to talk to you.
Nobody knows what's happening.
Why?
Why not?
because you're cool.
I've been called a retard. I've been called an asshole. I've never been called fun to talk to.
You are.
You are, though.
It makes you feel better than you are.
True bum.
Oh, you got one more coming up.
Yes, sir.
Oh
Oh
boy.
my god.
You know
Too
what?
much FPS.
Full send. I'm gonna go grab my i16 because it's the closest thing to.
Yes,
Do it.
I agree. Do it.
Do it. My dog peed
I
on my
shouldn't.
kitchen. I was hitting my nuts.
It's not the Jedi way.
My dog peed on my floor in the kitchen.
Do it.
If anything,
Time
we
to
should
make
have
you
the
losers death.
I-15 bis that has retractable gear.
Yes, I agree.
I was eating my nuggets and I slipped
Oh
on
my god, there's another one.
Oh no.
I do not enjoy. This is actually scary. I didn't think people
my
would
house
actually.
and then I freaked it. Oh.
Like, when I put this up as an idea, I did not think this would be happening.
I took her to my house and I freaked it.
What's more annoying, the sound of a helicopter starting up right next to you, or just like any turboprop?
HD.
Turbo props.
Turbo prop. Yeah, we were originally going to bring HUDs and Death and everyone here. 4 of them. Actually, originally it was going to be 5 of them.
I have a beautiful time.
I'm
gonna head out.
He noses over and dies.
No fire, bro. Yes, I agree.
That fire still hasn't gone out.
Okay, like you said, this is the ground frequency, so let's not have music in here.
Yeah.
If you're gonna do that autistic shit, go to general or formation.
That's pure autism.
I'll be back soon in a
Alright.
better plane.
Alright.
It won't fuck off. Oh my god.
Wait, did some guy come in and say the air show was over?
No.
I have
I
no
heard
idea.
that. Tower even still... No, it's kind of dead. Alright. I'm gonna just spawn
Bruh.
right here. Not minimum load. Whatever this spawn is. There we
I
go.
was hopping up very epic. Look at him trying so hard. He can't out-impress us. P40's have a hard time throttle matching again. Look, he's way behind.
Yeah, you can see the throttle matching problems.
Man just pulls up out of nowhere.
Like, bye, bitch.
Oh, damn, he's actually speeding up. What the hell?
What the? Yeah, P40s are weird. Shark theorized that high RPM thing.
Yeah, I don't think that theory was right.
I mean, I had another one, but I completely forgot it.
Oh.
No.
Oh, we are touching there. Almost touching. I kind of hope Hawker hits the ground.
Yeah.
Alright, we made a bit more room so you guys can move up.
How many times this pod almost hit the ground?
Twice.
Should we all just go on tower?
Nah.
Why?
Why not? Oh, Chino's watching your stream.
Yeah, but he was super late.
Oh, that guy's messaging me again.
Oh, damn.
Who?
Remember the guy,
The Gaijin guy?
Quote unquote works for Gaijin.
Give me his link, let me yell at him.
Alright, I'm gonna give you his name. Alright, guys, if all of you want to yell at him, his name is, Misa Juriki.
How do you spell that? Just copy and paste and put it in general.
I can't. Gim, I'm on PS4. I'm not in the Discord server anymore anyway. I left. I think it's weird. It's M-S... Wait, no, hold on. M-I-S-A-J-U-R-I-K.
M-I-S-A-J-U-R-I-K. Any caps?
Nope.
And it's not showing up.
I don't know the rest of his name, like the numbers behind it.
Oh.
But, yeah.
Who joined?
Your mom.
Oh, Rogue's here. Hello.
Doing your mom.
Do it.
Your mom.
Oh, Beams, you know what? You can, as soon as he makes a thing, screenshot it.
If I can learn how to taxi this thing, that'd be great.
What are you on? Yeah. Alright. He's in the 15.
Excuse me, I'm in an I-16, you little shit.
Alright, boys. We're starting up.
Alright, boys, prepare to take off.
Ignition!
Woo!
Alright, taxiing to,
No, we can take off right now.
No.
Yeah, we can take off right now.
No. You guys,
Let's do this properly.
How many F3F do you
Alright,
Hold.
That's done?
Yeah.
Start the P40.
The P4s.
Oh, look, unprofessional taxi is cutting across the grass.
You're gonna have to
Airshow.
pay for that.
There is no pilot in that white 106.
There is no meme. Take off your clothes.
What? Yeah, no, I'm
There is no
not
meme.
take off my clothes until all the
There is no
8-year-olds
meme.
do
Take
it.
off your clothes.
There is no meme. Take off your clothes.
All right, F3Fs. Let's taxi this bitch.
There's one more.
What city you got?
Dun 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 dun.
Oh,
God,
geez,
if
what
we
the
could
hell?
use weapons right now, my 3000 would just have a field day right here.
Dun 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 dun
Hey,
dun
sit down.
dun
Come on.
dun dun.
Teach your mom.
I'm at 20%. Taxi.
Don't you love air shows when they're over?
A wild Chino has emerged.
A challenger has emerged.
We've got a JT Chino. Oh, wow.
Oh, Jesus.
We got Hammer boys. We got Hammer.
Fire!
Through the fire and the flames.
Dragon Force!
Get your
Good job, Charlie.
Chino. Get your FF.
Oh, there's a penis on Rogue's Isle.
Should we just get the Griffins in here?
No.
It'd be funny.
to join because I'm bored. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
It would be funny though.
Wonder if I can use
There was a penis on Rogue's Isle 28.
Don't you have a penis on all your planes?
No.
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 Why not?
I mean, look at
I
that.
was eating my one up for it.
SP2Cs do, but I mean, that's...
I have
penis that doesn't
issues.
fit in the Bombay door, so...
I've got
I
a
mean,
penis on
look
my
at the
104.
Halifax. It can barely hold his in.
Bulging bastard.
Look at the B-29. Oh.
How low can you go? Oh shit.
Into the floor. Bye-bye.
Oh, Chino's here.
Oh, damn it.
Didn't blow up either.
Sorry, Nipsey Flutter.
Yeah, you'd have like 30 concussions.
Please tell me you're recording this.
Yes.
I'm just gonna go back
I
Sesto should be recording.
I'm gonna go back
Shark
to
Stream.
I got pretty much most of it, so.
Sesto, are you still recording?
Yes, I am.
Are we filming up on the runway?
Ooh. If Sesto is still recording, I need to find him.
Beams, can you slow the fuck down? Stop clipping.
Hide me!
Fuck.
Hide me! Hide me!
One fuckers. Oh my god.
Guys.
What are you trying to eat each other?
Damn
or
it.
something?
Oh,
Where is Sesto? He needs to be buzzed.
I'm spawning on the runway, you bitch.
Aw, I got kicked.
Wait. You
Why?
can't spawn on the runway. That's illegal.
Too bad I just did it.
who is it?
No, they kicked us.
Aww.
Alright, everyone tell me your name and we'll do this. Let's set this up. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on.
What the fuck? Why?
Did they kick all you guys?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
kicked us.
Excuse me, what the fuck? What?
Alright, I'm gonna make one. I got this.
Yeah, make one.
I'm kicked out of Battleground.
No fair.
Okay, you're
Hey, clear comms. Are
What the
you
fuck?
guys in Skull Squadron gonna make another battle to do this F3F?
Yeah.
sir.
Alright, everybody in the
I'm
squad, ready up.
Oh, they kicked me out.
Wait, yeah, they kicked me too. Why the?
I'm ATC. Why do you kick ATC?
Bruh.
Well, I mean, I started crashing into people, but still.
What's happening?
I agree.
Oh, I was executed out.
Who's hosting this?
Who's
Panda.
kicking?
He's setting it up right now.
Wait,
Okay,
did
right.
these guys
Everyone in our
kick
squad, ready up.
Hey, I'm not in a squad.
Alright.
Can you send me an invite to the squad?
Alright, Chino, I got you.
I don't even. Okay.
I invite you to this session.
Can someone invite me, please? My name's literally just my Discord thing.
Oh, wait, I gotta put on
I
my.
have you friended, so go and invite.
Okay, right, thank you.
Oh, Aiden's on. I can get Aiden in here if you want.
Baby.
Him into zero.
If you want an invite and I don't have your name, just look at my Discord name and just send me a message in WarThunder and I will invite you.
Yes.
Gamma, what are you doing?
What formation
Moving
am
up.
I gonna have?
This is gonna be a very large delta.
This is gonna be one heck of a delta.
One
So
sec,
we
I
got
gotta
1, 2,
Google
3,
Delta.
4, 5, 6, 7, and then there's 8 somewhere.
Yeah, there's
Over
some
that
around
rainbow. Where's Chino?
here. Taste the rainbow.
Where's the well?
So Delta is just a V, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Delta's the
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the Blue Angels Delta, they have a slug guy.
I love how all these Skull Squadron guys all have their uniform skulls on their planes. Then there's this autistic shit on my plane.
Wait, let me see this.
There's so much weird shit going on right now. I don't know what's
There
happening.
was so much concerning shit on that airplane.
What is it? I can't see it.
I am just a chunky F3F.
Uh-huh.
I am a chunky
Yeah,
F3F.
sure.
There.
Yeah, sure. He's gonna flex a lot.
I'm
Now you can
chunky.
see it.
Oh god.
Be amazed, everybody.
God damn.
That's horrifying to look
I
at.
enjoy. I
Go in
do
first
enjoy.
person. I'm pretty sure everything is like all layered inside the cockpit.
I don't see it. I still can't.
That's so
Do
concerning.
you have historical decals, like, or not historical enabled?
I want to see if we can,
Wait, where do you go that? Where do you do that?
Settings.
In the options.
Options.
Alright, I'm gonna line back up. Oh shit, wrong way.
Customization.
Bye.
Bye,
Where is
have a
it
bit of a
in,
fine.
After this, let's all try to land on these hangars.
Oh god. After this, I'm gonna have to help my grandma and get her fucking bed out.
Who has a grandma anymore? Oh shit.
Bye.
Do you not have the
That
FBS?
prop.
James us.
I
I
don't
saw
play this
Doom
plane
Panda
in a...
typing and I was like,
Doom
what?
Turtle is in a chunky F3F.
Doom Panda.
His propeller
Is the
is
size of you
freakishly
guys.
close to my
I'm
pilot.
pretty sure you can carry all of our.
Oh
all
god,
of
it
ours.
is.
Fucking. Fuck. Yeah, I'm pretty
Yo,
sure
if
you
y'all
can
want,
carry
like,
all of us. Like
land.
dismembered.
You want me to get in my
I think that's
238 and
freaking
just, like, land on me or something?
No!
Yeah, let's all land on him.
Oh
You have to
god.
fly really slow because the gear are so.
I'm just gonna
good.
send an ad to everybody in here if that's okay with you.
Okay, do you want me to get my
everyone.
238?
I did the vehicle
I didn't do
customization.
that.
Yeah, I still don't see it.
No, I'm
You'd have to
inside.
reload.
Yeah.
Do you
I'm
see
not
my...
doing that.
Do you want me to get my 238?
Ailerons check.
Elevators check.
Elevators check.
Rudders check.
Everything.
Rudders check.
Rudders check.
Ready.
Ready?
Rolling.
Rolling. Oh crap.
Rolling. Everyone just
Oh,
go.
God.
Just punch it. Alright, you just. Bring
It just got so loud.
Oh god.
It was quiet and then.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm slowing in.
Right.
Okay, just for clarification, everybody in an F3F is spaded, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Did somebody just eat
Mark, where are you
shit?
going?
Well, Chino, the premium F3F comes faded. So.
We're dropping to 80%. That way everybody can catch up and get to a position. Where is Shark going?
I just try volume down.
Shark is dying.
Shark's Wi-Fi probably died.
Shit, again, like woman at Remy?
Oh, blindy beams, watch out.
I'm an odd number.
Sorry.
I feel assaulted.
I tried to hold my camera button, but I forgot. I was holding the wrong one because I'm not on
I
my
feel violated.
Wait,
I feel-
on the right, correct?
Blindy beams, you're in the wrong spot.
position.
There you go.
There you go.
I was on the wrong side.
Yeah, that's a rogue spot.
Oh, sorry, Rogue.
That's in my spot, little bitch.
Whoa. Smash spot now. You didn't get here fast enough.
Alright, 83.
Try to get within 69 feet of Panda.
Where is Shark?
What the
Chino, please don't crash into anybody.
What the fuck?
Sound errors. So I
Don't worry, Chino's a skilled pilot.
What throttle are you guys? Are you at
I'm at
We're at
80%.
80. Yeah, I'm having to jump in between 80 and 85. Just be advised of that.
Okay, I'm at 80.
I'm gonna go 85 and see what
Okay, boys, y'all
I'm
can
enjoying
out.
this type formation. Alright, spreading.
Did I say smoke? No.
I was checking smoke. I was just making sure.
Is it wing smoke in the center?
Oh, Beams is farting.
Am I allowed to take the gay smoke?
The
Yeah.
gay smoke.
Ready?
Red, white,
Good night, you little
blue.
shit.
Purple, green, brown, and red.
Shark's still in the game. I don't know where he is.
We're going faster than a B-29.
What is this? This is
Yeah, the B-29 goes really fast once it's at high altitude and level. Otherwise, it's just shit.
that moment when you know.
Okay, Chino, if you could go wings red and get on roads, right? Gamma, switch to center white.
Okay. And then I'll take sharks.
Yep. Shark's not here right now, so.
Are you guys still at 80?
Yep.
I'm 85
Alright.
at the moment.
So center right or wings right?
Center. I said center.
Okay, sorry, I was just making sure.
You gotta make sure.
Alright.
I know what I'm talking about. Because then I'm gonna go wings, and it's gonna look nice.
Yeah. No, I just wanted to make sure I was doing it right.
Oh, hey, Bandit.
Okay, Gamma, you're like right underneath me. Do not pull up.
I know, I'm watching you.
Balls up.
Get to your side. Get to your side. Get to your side.
Go ahead and put those gear down.
Gamma, get to your fucking position.
You want me to shoot him down? I can do it.
Negative.
Your position's not behind me, you dumb.
Dark Gamer, get in between me and Panda.
Alright.
Okay, I got confused because of the smoke.
Better.
We're probably telling like me. Gee, my own squad.
Okay, boys, ready?
What are we doing?
Smoke sign.
You never ask questions when it comes to Panda.
Oh no, yes.
Yeah, is Doom Panda just kind of like, you never ask him anything?
I mean, no, it's just wing it 90% of the time.
Fuck, Radio Panda.
The other 10 is fine. The other 10.
I wing it 70% of the times, and the other 30 I actually plan.
Yeah.
Beam
This
shift.
show is
Wing
planned.
is crossing into my smoke screen, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all one command. Chino, I ain't gotta worry about you. You already know what I'm doing here. Okay. Elemento, Raid, and Rogue, I'm gonna call an all break. Essentially, all you're gonna do is just break in the direction that you're in. So since you're on the right road, you're gonna turn right, bank, knife edge, and pull.
Alright.
Elemento, Bandit, y'all are gonna knife edge left and pull. Not yet.
Yep.
But
So we turn 90 degrees and then turn?
So
yes.
left,
roll 90
left,
degrees.
You basically do this, a full knife edge, and then you pull.
Alright.
Roger.
Okay? That's called an all break. That's one of the maneuvers I teach.
Bro, give me some maneuvering room. Quickly.
And all three of us white boys, no racism intended, we'll do a loop.
We'll do a vertical.
Yes, Doom Turtle in the back. Could you turn off your smokes or turn it to center white? That'd be great. Or wings white. Actually, that would look better.
Oh, I'm all over the place.
Oh god, it's B-29.
Wait, what?
Oh
god.
It's just a natural reaction to be scared.
Okay, stand by for all break.
Yep.
Wait there. Let me just match up with. Oh, you're good.
Doom Turtle, please do not clip ready.
Oh god.
Oh.
Okay. Stand by for all break.
Ready.
Is he drifting?
Elements, all break, mark.
Oh, I forgot. There's that delay. I forgot about that, you bitch. I love that casual loop that you didn't tell me about.
I told you we were looping. That was beautiful.
Beautiful. Alright,
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna land on the B-29. Where's it at?
Oh, let's go,
it
boys.
kept going straight. It's behind us.
Go north.
Turning.
Go for it. Go left. We're all clear to land runway B-29.
Runway B-29.
I can
Affirmative.
I can get mine if y'all want.
Roger that. Landing,
We're going
runway.
every time we're going. One at a
Landing,
time.
runway B-29.
Roger that.
Try not to kill him.
The gear.
what?
Not if you can slow down to
Why not?
I repeat, the gear is able to face the wings. Mr. B-29, could you slow down, boys?
Slow down.
Down or I'll start shooting.
We'll land on something at the same time.
This is good.
Mr. B-29, is a level altitude and not a climbing altitude.
Oh,
A level angle of attack.
Smoke off.
No, smoke on.
Yeah, one of your engines has more horsepower than two of ours, so.
B-29, if you could come to a level angle of attack and not a climbing
If you
angle
could come to a complete stop, and that would be nice.
Do you want me to get my 238? Because this guy isn't.
Oh my god, yeah.
You know what? Wait, we're realistic. If you can open the bomb bay door, I'll turn into a parasite fighter.
Oh,
No, you won't. I will. I'm closer.
You are being.
No, I'm gonna take that job.
Wait, there's two bomb bay doors. What do you want?
There's two others.
Ooh, there's two. Let's do it.
Okay.
Man, if I'm fired right now, I could just totally fade run his rear gunner.
That bro moment when you get intercepted by a bunch of F3Fs.
You're being intercepted by the beginning of the U.S. Navy.
The beginning of the
Knock, knock. Who is it? United States Navy, motherfucker.
United States Navy.
You're biplanes,
currently
motherfucker.
underfunded, but don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're
Mr.
running.
If you can slow down to about 50%, so that we are not struggling just to get up there. That'll be
We lost more.
Oui, baguettes du fromage.
If you can slow down to 50%, Mr. Doom Turtle, we can get up there pretty good and get up in that booty. And I'm talking about that, man.
Get up in that booty. I'm almost in the booty.
We need you to slow down.
I'm almost. Well, he closed his booty hole. He opened it again.
Open that butt. Bring me that
Come on,
ass.
Feed me.
Mr. Doom Turtle, my engine's about to turn into cooked rice if you don't slow down.
You're a problem, retard.
That ass.
I'm at 6%.
Bring it
You're
down
good
to
at
40.
50.
Drop to 0% now.
Drop to 40. 40 probably do it.
Who joined?
We lost most of
Oh, hi, Oscar.
I need to go take a
We're
bath.
really trying to land on a B-29. I'll send you an invite.
And
I'm trying to push these
Yeah, 3F, and I'm sending you an invite.
I'm doing stuff right now. I just wanted to see what y'all were doing.
You're missing out. You're missing out on life. We just did an air show, and then they deleted this. They banned us from the server because we wanted to do a final thing like with everyone in F3Fs.
Okay,
So then we're all trying to get into this server and they won't let me post links.
Yeah, so we just made this a thing.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I need you to slow down, Marsha. Yes.
Purchasing the F-14 is a priority. Goodbye.
Oh, you got the F-14.
What?
You got the F-14 in BCS.
He's going to
Alright, stop, boys.
No.
B-29, where are you? I want to fight you.
Docking.
I'm in position for docking.
go. It doesn't need
I'm docking on a wing.
Beams
I need to fight this B-29.
Give me that I will dock!
Oh my god. Bro, get over here! I'm gonna land on you!
Excuse me?
Hey, is that guy still streaming? I want to see a replay of that.
It's beautiful.
Oh my
Alright,
god.
boys. Alright, everyone, okay, respawn.
Where are we respawning? On the runway?
Secondary.
I'm here, Susto. We need to mate.
I am standing by.
No, we need to mate. What are you doing?
Yes, mating. Oh god.
He wouldn't let me.
I'm gonna land on you first.
Alright, Panda.
Not if I can outmaneuver you.
Alright, Panda, I'm docked.
You can't turn with a 238, you idiot.
Yes, I can.
We're having a mating ritual.
Alright, Gamer, get out of sight. Get out of me before I quit.
Come here.
Psych.
No, I can't stay here.
Hold on, I gotta take off. Hold on.
Bye.
You know, we must mate.
Are you guys mating?
No, everybody keeps trying to avoid my mating. Come here.
Oh, that baby.
Kid, I'm above you.
Where are all of you
Oh my
guys?
god, docking a B-29 and a B-29? I don't like
Oh,
that.
I rode
Alright,
level
I'm gonna
out.
dock on you real quickly, hold.
Docking on a B-29 with a 238.
Gear down, boys.
Blind.
You idiot. What's wrong with you guys?
Scream, and then I saw this fucking B-29 implode, and then I imploded.
What is wrong with False Cauldron?
I don't know.
A lot of things are wrong with us.
Dude.
A lot of things are wrong with